Welcome to the second episode of How to Build a Trading Strategy series. In this video, I will be revealing the second key component of how to build a robust and profitable trading strategy and guide you step by step on creating your own strategy that works. This is Trader HC. I created this channel to help traders with their trading careers and develop their own trading strategies. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel. As mentioned in the last episode, trading with an edge is the key for anyone who wants to profit consistently in the market. The second key component I'm revealing today is asset. Later you will see how the asset you choose to trade your strategy will have a significant impact on your overall trading performance. Just look at those long-term investors who use a buy and hold strategy for years without setting a stop loss. Even passive traders like them will be quite profitable if they are holding stocks like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. While those who hold something like Enron would be quite a nightmare. For more active traders like us, selecting the right asset to trade is equally important. How active traders can become more profitable than long-term investors is that we can use a strategy that can generate accurate trading signals to close the bad trades and hold the good trades more often than not, instead of sitting through a significant drawdown period or going down with a poorly managed company as a long-term investor. The same asset class usually exhibits similar price behavior and can be traded with the same strategy. This is important information to keep in mind because that means once we have a strategy that works on one asset, it is likely to work on other assets in the same class. For example, a strategy that works on the Euro-USD pair will usually work on other currency pairs after some adjustments on the parameters. At the time of recording this video, 2020, the cryptocurrency market is undergoing a bull run. Most trend trading strategy will be profitable when trading cryptocurrencies. However, if you trade the same strategy on assets that are ranging, you will most likely to blow up your account. Other YouTubers may pitch to you how much profit they made in a very short period of time, but none of that matters because they are not showing you how you can have an edge over the market consistently. Their ways of trading are no different from gambling. You might just go to the casino and get a 100% return on your money in minutes. You might get lucky and win a few games, but you will still lose in the long run because the casino has an edge over you. And that's why I am here. The reason I created this channel is to show you the real components required for building a trading strategy that works. By evaluating the historical performance of trading strategies without bias, you can make an informed decision on whether the strategy has an edge and whether you want to trade it with your hard-earned money. In the next few minutes, I will show you the performance of a simple moving average strategy on the 21 most actively traded cryptocurrencies. I'll quickly skim through the non-profitable assets and focus on the assets that are profitable with a strategy to save your time. Watch the video carefully as it can help you to understand how this strategy works in different assets and affect your performance. Watch till the end to see the performance for every asset in our sample. We can see the performance is amazing in most crypto pairs using our strategy. Let's check out the performance on traditional currency pairs. The same strategy produces almost opposite results. Most forex traders will lose money if they trade this strategy. Now you know why some traders are saying a strategy works, while the other says it doesn't. It is because a strategy performance is depending on the asset. Assets are one of the key factors that every trader should take careful consideration of whether they should trade with the strategy they have in their arsenal. If you find this video useful, subscribe to this channel to see more videos, and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.